Looking to relocate but worried about high costs and unreliable moving companies? Baxter Shipping is here to make your relocation simple, secure, and stress-free. Baxter Shipping provides convenient door-to-door pickup, with our professional team expertly handling every aspect of your packing with care and precision. Our team of experts comes directly to your home to carefully disassemble your furniture, professionally wrap each item in protective bubble sheets for added safety, and pack everything in multi-layered, high-quality cartons, ensuring maximum protection for long-distance moves. We also provide reliable door-to-door delivery, ensuring your shipment arrives safely and on time, right at your doorstep. With our dedicated team by your side, you don't have to worry about setting up your new home. We reassemble your furniture and help arrange everything, turning your house into a home in no time. Baxter Shipping also provides safe and reliable automobile shipping, along with secure storage facilities, giving our clients complete peace of mind for all their relocation needs. You can learn more about any of our services by visiting our website or reaching out to us via email at the address provided.